Good morning, friends. Today I will explain you the polynomials. See, any equation, suppose here it is ax plus b, in which it has degree as 1, that is known as a linear polynomial. And if we see the second equation, ax square plus bx plus c, here maximum degree is 2, it is known as the quadratic polynomials. And if we have a degree 3, that is known as the cubic polynomial. Now, if we draw any graph of the linear polynomials, we will get a straight line which has one coordinate on the x-axis. And if we draw a graph of the quadratic polynomial, you get a parabola, and it cuts x-axis at 2 points, that is 2 coordinates. So in linear polynomial we get only one coordinate, and in quadratic polynomial we get the 2 coordinates. And if we take the cubic polynomial, that is cut the 3 points on the x-axis, that means it has 3 coordinates. Now actually, if we take any equation x plus b, now just we have to simplify it. So actually 0, what is 0? That is simply a simplification of the equation. So here, if we take ax plus b, we write ax is equal to minus b, then x is equal to minus b upon a. So we will say that the 0 alpha is equal to minus b upon a. Now we take a ratio of the 0 and the coefficients in a given equation. You see, what is coefficient? Coefficient, that is any number attached to the variables, that is a number. If we take ax square plus bx plus c, here a is the number attached to the x square, b is the number attached to the x, and c is a constant term. Now here a and b are the coefficients. A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of the x, and c is a constant term which has no variable. Now as it has degree 2, so it will have the 2 zeros. Suppose these are the alpha and beta. Then the sum of the 0, that is alpha plus beta, is equal to minus b upon a, that is coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. And the product of the 2 zeros, that is alpha into beta, that is c upon a. Here c is the constant term and a is the coefficient of the x square. Now, taking these zeros, we have to find out the polynomials. So if we say polynomial is, that is x square minus sum of the zeros x plus product of the 0, that is known as the polynomial. So it is simply zeros and the coefficients. 0 simply means that at how many points the equation cut at the x-axis. Linear polynomial cuts at 1 point, quadratic cuts at 2 points, and the cubic cuts at the 3 points. So number of the coordinates just coordinate the zeros. So number of the 0, that is the number of the coordinates. So if you take a relationship between 0 and the coefficient, I explain you coefficient is the number attached to the variables. So ax square plus bx plus c, that is the equation. Alpha beta are the 2 zeros. So sum of the 0 is minus b upon a, that is coefficient of the x upon coefficient of the x square, and the product is c upon a, that is constant term upon the a. And if we write the polynomial, that is x square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product alpha plus beta. Okay, I think it will be clear to you. Now please, if you like my video, please also subscribe. Thanks very much.